We're essentially expanding our portfolio to include a broader lineup of solutions that customers can use, focusing on applications that might not need all the flagship features that we have on our PAVN4. So at the show we're introducing the PAVN4E and the PAVN4D, essentially dedicated encoders and decoders for IPMX, fully certified. That all happened about a week ago. Fully certified for IPMX at a lower cost level, with still all the premium features. So we still do USB, we still do 4K 60, 444. We've just removed some I/O ports and some features that you don't need in every product, in every project. So that's a key thing for us here. So IPMX is not just a tier 1 solution. You can now use it for almost every project out there. It is easier to integrate it. There's more options. There's just more flexibilities. Integrators, they like to tailor the solutions towards the customer application, right? It's difficult when a product does more than the customer needs. And also, integrators bidding on projects, they're in price competition with other companies. So this is going to give us more of a competitive edge and just offer those more cost-effective solutions on top of the premium flagship solutions that we've had for 2 years. For us, it's important that we expand beyond just IPMX, because if we only offer IPMX, we're still like putting customers into a certain limited space. And we've always been about opening up to other protocols, supporting them, embracing these other protocols. And HDBaseT is a very logical one because it's been on the market for a long time. There's a new generation, newer generation, HDBaseT 3.0 that came up, and for us that's important to also support. There's a lot of legacy deployments out there that support HDBaseT, and also HDBaseT into IPMX with our HDBaseT gateway. Also opens up things like wall plates and all this other HDBaseT gear that's already out there. So it just plays into our expanding, supporting more protocols and technologies out there instead of just limiting to one single standard. In keeping that line of just offering options and offering flexibilities and not limiting technologies that you can use in combination with our solutions, we're also expanding into speakers, and for some that might find like a little bit of a surprise, a little bit of a U-turn, but actually makes a lot of sense because we're already using Dante in our AVN series of encoders and decoders. We're already using NMOS, we're already using AES67. So by giving that additional speaker option, we're essentially opening up audio-only endpoints, which are then, here at the show, our ceiling speaker, our surface speaker, so surface and wall mount speaker, and our pendant speaker that we're showing for the first time. So PoE plus, fully functional IP-centric speakers that support NMOS and AES67, which would actually make it an IPMX speaker. Yes, it absolutely is fun to keep expanding our portfolio. Our portfolio started out really small 3 years ago with just a couple of products, and now at this show we're maturing more and more and more, offering more and more options to our integrators, but still staying very, very close to like our core foundation, which is IP-centric, open standards, not proprietary, and just keeping everything open for the integrator.